Going on to device settings, you can change that update, that location update. Again, by default, it's every 15 minutes. But to conserve batteries, you can make that 30, 45, or every hour. So the less frequent of updates, the longer your battery is going to last. Another couple of features is the shake to wake feature. So when you have the watch, in order to turn on the display of the watch, you need to press one of the buttons. You can press either SOS button or the power button. That will turn the LCD on and you can see the watch. Now in some cases that may be frustrating to the user. They don't want to have to press a button. That may be confusing between pressing the button of turning the screen on and the SOS. And some of our users just want to be able to, turn their wrist and see what time it is. To do that, they can enable shake to wake. And when they do that, the motion of twisting the wrist, that motion will activate the LCD screen and it will display, they can see the time. Now that it does impact the battery life, and that's why we have it off by default. But if this is something that is causing confusion or frustration for your loved one, you can certainly turn shake to wake on and they'll be able to read the watch and they don't have to press any buttons to turn on the LCD screen. The second is our lockdown mode. Again, on the watch itself, there are a couple of applications. There is a weather application, there is a step count, and then there's also that call contacts feature where they can call people other than the SOS number. Again, we have some situations where those applications actually create confusion for the wearer and becomes very frustrating to them. So what we can do is we can enable lockdown mode. And what that will do is that will turn off all of those icons so the watch is just a watch. The only thing that will be displayed on the watch is the time on the watch. Now, of course, the SOS button will always work. So, if they press that SOS button, it will make the call, but it turns off all of those other applications in order to avoid any frustration that may be occurring. And finally, if you do need to change the SOS number, you're going to change that number that you want the watch to call when the SOS button is pressed, or if a fall is detected. If you're using our smart fall detection, you can change that phone number. If you make any changes, go ahead and tap on the Save Device Settings to apply those changes.